Yo guys, it's Liam here today, and today we're doing the woodwork challenge. It was actually wanted by one of you guys, so we're going to say crossbar 20, posts 10, but if you miss, if you put it off target, you lose 10, and what else could we put, what other rules? If you do it with your weak foot, you get double points. But also, if you put it wide, it's double loss.
How many goes do we have?
So it's 5 goes. But the forfeit is, by every 10 points you lose from, you have to have a handful of this flour. If you can't tell, like that. Yeah, you have to have that, a whole handful in your mouth, and it's not going to be nice. He's already done a flour forfeit on his, so I'm not looking forward to it, but I just got to hope the techers come to hand. Also, like and comment what else you want, but yeah, add him on or subscribe on YouTube, K Lopez 7. We've done 2 videos on his. We've done 5 different shot techniques. Well, not techniques, so we had to volley with our right, volley with our left.
It's off the floor challenges. It's off the floor challenge.
So yeah, let's get into it. 5.
You can go first, it's your video.
Oh, we'll take it in turns.
Yeah.
We'll leave the flour right there.
So we'll put the ball right here.
So if you lose by, say I lost by 20 points, I'd be 2 handfuls, because...
So every single round? Oh, it's going to be a lot of flour.
Or, actually, we could change this. Whoever does worse in the one... shot, like their first shot, their second shot, whoever does worse has to have a handful. So it'll distract you if you lose your first. So I'll go first.
No, you can see this, yeah you can. I'll stand out the way so you can see it clearly.
So 20, 10.
Yeah,
and
go
if
on.
you put it wide, 10. But if I don't do it with my weak foot.
It's up to you. Go on then, it's Liam's first go.
I'll do it with my right.
On him.
Nothing. So 0, I didn't miss the target.
Wait, so
And also in the first round, if we both say we didn't hit anything and we didn't put it wide, we'll both have to do it again until someone's lost. So there's going to be 5 handfuls of this. Deadly. Ooh. He put it wide, so he's lost. He's got to have a handful of flour in his mouth.
Not too much though.
It's the only thing about going.
Not too much because this is only first go.
So now you're going to go first.
That much, that's plenty, innit? That's enough, look. That's like, just
Okay.
for... I've gone for 4 for not taste bugs.
It looks like you're Vape Lord Nord. Shout out to Vape Lord Nord.
Guys,
And
I've done this
Ben's
before.
asked, Ben Lewis is peng. That's what he asked.
Done this before and it's disgusting. Don't spit.
Yeah, you got to go first so I know what I've got to do. Kieran's going to go first now. The loser's going to have to go first, so the other person knows what they've got to beat to. Kieran's going to do 1 step, are you? No. Alright, he's not doing 1 step.
Yeah.
He's hit the post, that's 10. So I've got to either hit the bar or hit the post, so it goes to sudden death. I'm going to go left foot, so it's double.
Wait, you got some?
Yeah. He got 10 points, I got 0. So,
Oh wait, that's what's different.
here it goes.
And you said it weren't bad. All of it. Keep going. Don't spit out straight away, you gotta try and swallow it. You don't spit it out, you gotta do what I do, you try and eat it. You can't swallow it. Right, it's me now. Oh wait, no, it's him. See? And you said I was over.
That's very nice.
And you said I was over exaggerating it. not even that bad.
Even though it gets stuck in places.
That's what I said, it gets stuck in your throat as well. Well, that's not crossbar. So I just got hit. Oh wait, no, I've still got 3 goes left. I know.
Bit back.
No, that's where yours was from.
What was that?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, up power. Sudden death. Both hit the goal.
Who's first?
I'll be first.
See, and that's your.
No,
that's,
it's not this close.
it's not that bad.
We'll have it here. Then over the chair.
Ain't that bad.
It is. And it gets all stuck back.
Yeah, go.
Did that skid? Did that skid?
No. That was a side net. Wait, so if I hit it, then.
If Kieran hits anything, but if he puts it wide, he's got to take it. So that's the risk.
Or could you shoot that?
Wide, his cast is over as well. If before he didn't hit it.
Wait, so that was our 4th go, wasn't it?
No, this is sudden deaths.
Okay.
This was for the 3rd go.
It's not that bad, it's just it gets stuck in your
It's
throat.
still freezing flat as well.
Oh,
Oh. Haven't hit it that time.
I'm technically winning at the moment because I've hit actually something. Ah,
He went for the bar.
I'm going for the bar every time because if you don't hit it hard enough, then it'll just go in. It's up to me, KLOPS7.
Ooh. You hit that?
Yeah, but I've still got my goal.
20 points. If he does it with his weak, if he hits post with his weak foot, equal. If he hits the bar with his right foot, equal. He's missed. He's got to take it.
I didn't miss, I just missed the post.
He missed the target.
This is. See, look, that's look. She'll get a little bit more.
It's a bit like.
God, look all that.
Like vape. Right, so
I actually try and swallow it though, that's the thing.
Kieran's got to go first. Gonna wash that down with a chocolate finger. Shout out, chocolate fingers.
I took way too much. That's what she said. What are you looking at?
It's our 4th go. Fourth go. Oh. He's at the post.
It's not even a taste of it, it gets stuck.
So dry.
Oh, really? You gotta take some.
Oh. Side net weren't good enough.
You got to do a decent, so I ate literally about 95%. I'm just gonna taste on my teeth.
Here you go.
Gotta keep it in your mouth as long as you can. For another 5 seconds at least. You can spit out now if you want to. That was a valiant effort, I'll give you that. Guys, if you want to remake these sort of videos, tag us on Instagram. Would you leave our Instagram in the descriptions?
Yeah.
If you want to recreate these, tag us then on Instagram. I doubt you will because we ain't got that many fans yet, but like, if you do want to do this, tag us in it. I mean, obviously we're
Or
not.
even if you're watching this three months after. And
Yeah. Obviously we're not the first people to do this. We know that, but like, it's not a bad first couple of videos. I think this is what, the 5th shot now.
Yeah.
Oh, let me have some of that hose water.
This is our 5th go. It's our last go. The loser will list 2 handfuls. Yeah, Kieran?
I'm winning at the moment.
How?
Because I've got both posts. You've only had one thing.
What?
I'm winning because you've only hit one thing.
No, whoever loses this round. Yeah, I won't put it wide yet.
I won't put it wide once.
Yeah, no. Whoever loses this round has to have 2 handfuls.
Wait, yeah, this is lifting up. Jeez, Christ, Liam, look. Ready? Wait.
Alright. Oh.
Crossbar to finish off. Oh no, that's so dreadful.
What's your view on that, Kieran?
Not very good.
Still got a bit down his cheeks.
Alright, now, another add to me, or subscribe to me. So Liam's go. He's going. Look, don't look at yourself. And he's missed. Well, he didn't miss, but he didn't hit the... Take the camera. Don't shoot, take the camera. To win. Actually, no, yeah, you went first. Wait, no, I went first.
So who goes?
Let's finish it off. This is a... Yeah!
It's my go.
You've got to hit that
He's hit the bar. I don't know if you've seen that or not.
You hit out with your left foot to beat
To
me.
win, but I control this.
What are your feelings on that, Liam?
Not very happy.
Let's go. Let's just piss it so they can see just the goal. Oh,
Skims.
I don't think we should take skimmers.
I think we should take that one.
Yeah, but no, mine was so much more clean.
His was clean. My face isn't clean. His shot was clean.
Yours did hit out. Yeah, I know that.
My hit
What
and.
we got to do? Just keep going. Right,
I don't think I actually caught that one in video,
Oh,
but
boy, you can
he just hit it.
I'm too good at crossbar challenges. That's my speciality. Speaking of crossbar challenges, check out my first video on my channel. How are you feeling about that again, Liam?
I'm not very happy about the crossbar.
I'll do it like that so you can see the ball.
And I really do not want 2 handfuls of that disgusting stuff in my face.
Right now we've got the goal, just the goal. Oh, and he's put it over.
Oh no.
Right now, we'll get the ball after.
Not happy.
Walk of shame.
Look at this.
Can they see it? Yep.
Disgusting.
Wait, we'll get a bit further so they can see. Can they see?
Right, so here goes the first handful.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yummy. It's on my bag.
It's not nice.
I know what the taste looks like. I've done it
My
before.
mouth's so dry. Oh, it's not very nice. Oh, if Tyler Edwards is watching this,
That's Tyler Ellis, by the way, guys. He said Tyler Ellis.
I'll do 3.
No. Oh, go on then. He's feeling brave. Oh, can they see you? Yeah, they can. He's had a third one. Do you want me to end the video for you because you can't speak?
Yeah.
So, Liam is thankful.
Like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next time. Peace.
And then subscribe to me as well, KLOPS7. Thanks for watching.